Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. The market has had another eventful week with several significant developments. Some of the biggest developments from the previous week include JP Morgan opening its Onyx Lounge in Decentraland, becoming the first bank in the metaverse. Ukraine's quick resolution to legalize cryptocurrencies in the face of escalating border tensions with Russia, OpenSea becoming the target of a hack that saw NFTs worth millions stolen, a new crypto fund, and much more. Let's look at some of the biggest developments in the crypto space from the week gone by. Ethereum Twitter adds ETH payment option to its tip jar. Twitter has announced the addition of several payment options for its tip jar, including Ethereum, allowing users to send ETH as tips. Ethereum's inclusion in Twitter's tip jar feature is in line with Twitter's initiative to take payments options to a more inclusive stage. With the addition of ETH as a payment option, smartphone users will be able to add Ethereum addresses to their list of options. Along with ETH, Twitter will also support payment services such as Payton, Paga, and Barter. Altcoin's Cardano achieves milestone after being added to Google's currency converter. In a significant achievement for Cardano, ADA has been added to Google's currency conversion rate calculator. The integration is critical as it recognizes ADA as a major cryptocurrency, and is also an indication that the cryptocurrency's popularity on Google is significant, with a significant number of users trying to calculate the value of ADA regularly. Control POC, at the $2.6 mark, before the bears steered the trend in their favor. The close below the $2.36 support could propel a continued retracement in its falling wedge, white. An eventual break from the current pattern would set MANA up for a test of the immediate supply zone in the $2.4 zone. At press time, MANA traded at $2.3835, down by 2.58% in the last 24 hours. After downsliding from its ETH and poking its multi-month low in late January, the $3.3 level shunned all bullish recovery attempts. Despite this, the bulls have ensured higher troughs, but failed to uphold the 11-week-long trendline support, now resistance, white, dashed. Over the last 5 days, MANA descended in a falling wedge, white, on its 4 chart. The price is now approaching a squeeze phase after a steep 2-day plunge. Also, the recent bearish engulfing candlestick created a near-term supply zone for the alt in the $2.4 zone. Avatar market, and has Warner Music Group and Universal Music Group as its clients. Commenting on his move into the metaverse, Beaker said, "I've always been drawn to the intersection between technology and art, and Genies provides unique and compelling opportunities to harness the power of that combination to enable new forms of creativity, expression and communication." This is the first public metaverse play from the former Disney CEO, who served as the chief executive from 2005 to 2020. Iger stepped down as chairman last year. Meanwhile, Genies co-founder and CEO Akash Nigam said, "We believe that avatar ecosystems are going to be the mobile apps of Web3. An ambitious vision calls for rare mindshare, and I can't think of a better creative and product 49. Naturally, a lack of new users will lead to a lack of sales, and consequently, the total sales volume will also go down. Regardless, both land sales and volumes dropped to $916 and $10 million respectively. However, as the buyers found the multi-month support around $2.25, the price bounce back to print some healthy gains is expected. A sustained buying pressure would first meet yesterday's high of $2.44. Next, market participants would keep their eyes on the horizontal resistance zone at $2.95. On the flip side, if the MANA price breaks the vital support around $2.20, it would invalidate the bullish outlook. On moving down, immediate support is located around $2.0, the level last seen in January. And the next news about MANA is assessing MANA's potential to hold itself above key levels. Over the past 10 days, Decentraland, MANA, hovered near its high liquidity range. Point of the rise again fall again strategy adopted by the market is responsible for such diminishing growth. This pattern has also kept MANA consolidated between $2.41 and $3.51, with the former serving as strong support. Despite fall-throughs and breach attempts, the resistance and support levels have remained firm and unchanged for 3 months now. The next news: Decentraland price today. Will this support confluence prevent Mana from further meltdown? Decentraland, Mana, price has been resonating inside a symmetrical triangle for the past several weeks. The weekly chart shows 4 consecutive red candles, which plunge the altcoin to the support trendline of the triangle pattern. A bullish reversal from the $2.4 support would continue the range-bound rally in Mana. The correction phase initiated during February's second week tumbled the Mana USDT pair by 32% and slumped it to $2.4. Last week the buyers tried to bounce back from this SUPPORT $2.4 and drove the altcoin to immediate resistance of $2.8. However, how much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland price prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.